On a single switch looper, you'll have to deal with less precise actions such as double tapping and long pressing that can throw you off timing in the middle of a set. This eliminates all of that. Using MIDI to control looper functions is a great way to add convenience and versatility to your live looping setup. It allows you to have dedicated switches for record, play, overdub, stop, and any other looper function you need. With all that said, looping is very time sensitive and latency cannot be tolerated. This is why we have looper mode, which is the main point of this video, to make sure that no latency gets between you and your perfect looping performance. The looper mode feature is available on all Morningstar MIDI controllers. When in this mode, your controller will immediately send out its MIDI messages when a switch is pressed, with zero latency, which is crucial for creating perfectly timed loops. When this mode is engaged, you will not be able to perform any dual switch press functions on your MIDI controller, such as banking up or down. This is because the controller will not wait to see if a second switch is going to be depressed. It will send its MIDI messages the moment it detects a switch press. Looper mode is available as one of the MIDI message types on your Morningstar controller, so all you need to do is program a switch on your controller to engage looper mode. In this example, let's say we want to use switch H to put the MC8 in looper mode. So just press the switch you want and it will show up on the editor. Let's name this switch Enter with toggle name Exit. You'll see why in just a bit. For action, let's choose Press and then select Looper Mode from the drop-down list of message types. You then have the option of choosing whether you want the switch to toggle in and out of looper mode with each press, or only engage or only disengage looper mode. Let's choose toggle for this example because that will be the most practical and commonly used. Once that's done, hit save and we're good to go. Now when we press switch H, the MC8 will enter looper mode and will be latency free when sending out MIDI messages with each press. As you can see, in this mode I am unable to bank up or down using a dual switch press as I explained earlier in this video. And if I press switch H again, we will exit looper mode and be able to use dual switch press functions again. So remember to put your Morningstar controller into looper mode before you control a looper for precise performance. And that's it for this video, short and sweet today, but we hope it was useful nonetheless. If it was, do remember to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for the best tutorials on how to get the most out of your Morningstar MIDI controllers. And we shall see you in the next one.